Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now, I think the lady's name's Kathy that asked me how to do this, right? She wants me to show her how to go around the corner with blanket stitch, okay? Now I can't say, because I don't know whether she wants to actually put two pieces together and do it, but I think she just wants to go around the edge like so, okay? I'm going to have to fill this back a bit. Maybe I should have did it on a bit of felt. But then that's real easy to do. You want to do it on something that mightn't be so easy. I need to have a bit darker piece of fabric. Oh no, this is show up. A bit darker piece of cotton, but I don't need it. I'll show you anyway how to join them together with it as well. So we just say coming along here, right, with the blanket stitch. Hey, right, you go along there. And now we've come unthreaded already. I'm in Australia, a really nice day. Everybody's out mowing and zooming things and whatever. It's okay, I've just got a bit stuck, it's fine. Nobody panic, it's alright. Okay. So hopefully I'll keep my stitches reasonably even. I hope you haven't been waiting too long for this. I feel really bad because I kept forgetting to do it. Plus I didn't have the internet for that while, so that was a bit hard. Now, we're right at the corner, okay? To go around the corner, you go back into here. See where you come out, where you went in for the last one? Just go back in there. See? Then do it again. Right? You got it? There you go, look at that. And you're going around the corner on it. Now, that is how I've been doing it for many years. I'm not saying that that's the real thing. I guess it could be. I honestly, to be honest with you, I think what you do is your own choice, really, how you do things, but that actually works really well. So that's how you go around the corner, Kathy. So I'm hoping that that's you. And anyway, it might be somebody out there by the name of Kathy watching, and whoever asked me, there it is. It's really, really simple. All you got to do is go back into that stitch there and back into that stitch there, and that brings that out like that. See? So that's all you do to do your corner piece. Now if you can't remember that, just rewind it a little bit. It's alright, there's not much on this video, so you won't take much to get it back to where it was. But that's how you do your corner piece, okay? Righto, now to put them together, you can put the things together with a blanket stitch too, your pieces. Whether you're using something that you've already done, like a piece of all them squares we've been making. We're doing all them squares that we've been making. Alright. So what I would do is put the two pieces together like that you've got, that you're going to sew together. Because I'm not putting mine together, I'm just going to put them onto a piece of fabric. These bits here. I'll show you. Right. I know we haven't been visited this bit for a while, but whether I end off all these with something, I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to just fray that back, and then I'm going to be getting a piece of fabric, which won't be very thick, I hope, or something that's, and we're going to put them all on, right? So, oh dear me. That wasn't too bad of an accident. And then we're going to sit them on, see, like this, a bit closer together, right? And that'll be our thing. Now we can do that in blanket stitch. if you want to, like to sew that on easy. But I'll show you when I get to this, because we will get to it, okay? I promise. Might be time. This might have to be a little bit heavier, this piece. I don't know yet what background I'm going to be using. So I'll come to that when we do, all right? Now, so this here, now I don't know, I've got pieces of, now what am I doing? What pieces of quilting bits, or I don't know what sort of idea you wanted. So these, well, they're all things I can still do anyway. But I'm going to show you this here, how to put this part together. So say you've done some bits of quilting, which I think you have. I think that's what you've been doing. And you want to put your pieces together, okay? Now, if you don't want to, well, I'll just show you how to do this first. It's really simple, really simple. Maybe I'll give them both the same length. That might help. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Say you've got a piece here that you've made, you know, your square, your quilted piece, right, for you. And then you've got a bit here. Here's one. Look, here's a sort of a piece. Look, so there's a bit of slow stitching and I've got a bit of padding behind it. So you'd be putting those two together like that, wouldn't you? Okay. Actually, I might do that, put it on there. Because I don't know whether there's another bit of this at the moment. I have got some that I have put together. Whether I did it this way or not, I don't know. I think I did. Oops, I haven't got two bits. I need two bits. Come on. Thread that through there. Rightio. Now. I'll start up here. I've got to get the right end. I'll get this end here. Now I'm going to do this and I hope that it works. I should cut that off because it's going to be waving around there at me. Just it's only a sampler piece anyway, so you can. So you got both sides together, both right sides together, and you're going to do this, okay? Like so. There's a blanket stitch to hold that together, like that. Come on. Now let's go and have a look and see what we got. So there's your blanket stitch. So you've got it. I'd pull it right out like that, right? So you've got that stitched together. See, that looks really awesome, doesn't it? That's just a way of doing that one if you want to. So it's sort of, if you don't do it too tight, it sort of rolls out really good. If you don't do it too tight, and you get both your ends, and you'll have this stitching like it was meant to look like that. Okay, so that's how I did a couple of mine, alright, or some of the ones I was doing. Now what else? Is there anything else I can show you? Can't think of it at the moment. So this is around the corner thing, and this is for this. And so what you do, all your pieces that go that way, and then you do all the pieces that go that way, and then you put them together, and then you do the same thing. But I think that's a good way of joining them if you want to do it like for slow stitching. And then otherwise that you just do a straight stitch to join them together, just straight, you know, just do a straight stitch along there, and then it'll open up and it'll look like that. You won't have this way. I think this way makes it a bit more even too, because you're going to keep your stitches even here, and then when you turn it out the other way, which I probably should have did a bit looser, they will look really good like that. But anyway, so that's something for you to try. Anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and I'll talk to you later. So I hope that helps you a bit. Okay, so if you like my bits and pieces that I do, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a thumbs up. If you can't leave a thanks for a donation, thumbs up is good. All the thumbs up you can put up there, all the likes you can give me will be good. All helps. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Stay safe. Bye bye.